Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screen once again, and I feel like my hair is looking a bit crazy today, but that's okay too. I am going to be doing a hot oil treatment. I feel like I never say thank you to my new subscribers or welcome. Hi, welcome. It's me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screen once again. You see, I'm always awkward when I have to do these things because I'm just like, I'm praying for you guys and I'm so thankful that you guys are helping me grow this channel and all that kind of good stuff. And again, I'm going to be doing a big giveaway, one person only though, when we reach 5,000 subscribers. A big product giveaway. I'll probably even throw in some, I don't know, hair care stuff. I don't know. You guys must tell your cousins and friends, boyfriends, grandma, grandpa, dog, cat to subscribe. You know what I mean? I am obviously, if we are doing a hot oil treatment in today's video, if you're low porosity, please stick to using light oil so that they can actually kind of be able to get into your hair shaft and they don't just sit there. All right. I have used avocado oil, grapeseed oil, and olive oil. Those are pretty light. The only heavy one I would actually say out of the three in this specific category would be avocado oil, but everything else is light. Avocado is still light. It's still a light oil. It's not like castor oil. Castor oil is very, very thick and we do not want that, especially if you have low porosity hair. So this is the reason why I'm actually pre-pooing, is because of my ends. My ends are looking a bit raggedy and I don't like that. So this is how my ends are looking right now. So this is what, they don't look horrible, but normally when I do a pre-poo, they look a bit healthier than this. You know what I mean? I don't think I'm due for a trim. That's like when your ends look like they're due for a trim, just try first to do a hot oil treatment and try to recover them, and also do a moisturizing conditioner. Use a moisturizing conditioner just to help balance your hair all over again. So I'm just trying to give you like my whole, we also have to detangle thoroughly, but I don't think I want to detangle with oils in today's video. I'll probably just use a conditioner for that. But this is the state in which my hair is in currently. It's dirty, y'all. Like, I know it doesn't look it, but it's very, let me show you. Let's just, my scalp, we have a lot. See, I'm trying to show you guys. See, there, I'm taking it out of my fingernails, if my camera could focus, and then you see that, that's my hair. That's the dirt that's on my hair right now. You see that? Yep. So my hair is dirty, okay? Specifically my scalp. But I first want to strengthen my ends more than anything, and then my hair's still looking healthy, you know, and it's very moisturized right now. Ooh, yes. So I have been using the Afro Sense leave-in conditioner and then the Afro Botanics hair growth moisturizer. Absolutely love the combination together. Like, absolutely love it. It's keeping my hair, like, those two products together, they work really, really well. And then I just use my normal oil, which is grapeseed oil, a little bit of olive oil, and avocado, and then that's good. Literally, that is my LCO method, and I've been loving it. My hair doesn't feel heavy, like the products don't weigh down my hair. So if y'all don't know Afro Sense, Afro Botanics, I'll link both of them up here so you can watch them, because I did a very, very, very deep, full, thorough review on each brand. So I am going to start with this video, okay? As already mentioned, I have used grapeseed oil, avocado oil, and a little bit of olive oil. I am basically using this as these hot oil treatments as a pre-poo, because I just basically want to protect my hair from, you know, anything that might necessarily strip it, specifically the shampoo. And then I'm just going to strengthen my hair. Now, some of the oils that you guys can also use is almond oil, sunflower oil, almond oil, coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, and jojoba oil. With the coconut oil, if your hair likes it, then you can use it. As you guys saw, I first applied the oil on my ends first and then work my way up. I spritz my hair with water just to open up my hair cuticles. My hair is not necessarily dry, but if I just apply the oils on my hair, they'll probably just take forever for them to sink in. The benefit of a hot oil treatment is that it increases your hair strength, it helps to reduce dandruff, it reduces frizz, and you guys know that I'm somebody that suffers from a lot of frizz every time I have to, you know, achieve a hairstyle. If you have split ends, it will reduce those and it will increase blood flow, and it will help to lock in and retain moisture for a bit longer. When you do a hot oil like this, you can also do a hot oil after you shampoo your hair before you deep condition, just so your hair can reach like extra shine and maximum hydration. More than anything, I think everybody should be doing a hot oil treatment every now and then, just so you can, you know, revive your split ends more than anything. So I think that's it. Okay, so this is how your hair should look after you put on some oils on it. And I have about 8 large twists on this side, and I have about 6 on this side. I'm going to slap on my plastic bag and my microfiber towel, and that's it. Right now it's about 10:30, and I'll probably take this off at maybe 5ish, okay? And then I'll be back to, because I don't want to sleep overnight with it. Yeah, I just want to finish this wash day today. All right, so yeah, so this is how I pre-poo using a hot oil treatment, guys. Constantly, please, even though I didn't show this, but I always go back to put this in my hot water. Just make sure, because that's why it's called a hot oil treatment. All right, just constantly put it in hot water. And then yeah, obviously you guys already know I always finger detangle my hair, because that's just it's personal preference. And also, again, like I mentioned in the voiceover, please do not wet your hair, just mist it. You want the oil to be the one that's doing the heavy work and not the water. I just used water because my hair was a bit dry, and I felt like the oils were going to take too long to kind of saturate and get like right into my hair. So I was like, okay, normally water helps to soften the hair and all that kind of stuff, but my hair is not super wet, because if it was going to shrink further than this. Hence I say mist your hair, don't necessarily wet your hair. Okay, so I'll see you guys in like 6 hours. Okay, bye. For now I'm gonna come back and show you guys how my hair looks. All right, righty.
6.5 hours later.
So again, I didn't put a lot of oil, so this process was not too messy for me, but this is how my hair is looking. Don't mind the background sound. Linda's like dyeing a wig out there, but this is how my hair is looking. I think my ends are happy. See that some of them even coiled up like so. Let me just undo on one other side. And oh man, look at that. That is so nice. Y'all, I like saying that. Okay, yep. Okay guys, I'm going to wash this off camera. Okay, so I quickly went to go rinse off my hair. And oh yes, oh man, my hair already feels soft. Yes, obviously my hair is still very much dirty, but this is my hair. This is how my hair is looking. Oh, guys, it feels so nourished. Oh, you know, like when you didn't know that you needed a hot oil, it feels so soft. Oh, airy. What are you talking about, guys? What? Yes, it's been such a minute since I've done a hot oil treatment, so I'm pretty Lola, no guys, Lola's it's right, I'm recording, she's right here. Okay, so let's hope she doesn't bark. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking, and this is how much oil I'm left with, like so. And y'all saw I filled up the bottle. I think it was about here, and I still have some left. This is the normal oils that I use for my hair, so I'll definitely finish it off as I moisturize. But this is how my hair is looking. It's looking very nice, very happy, and black as always, and nourished and shiny. Do you see that shine? That's what the oils also add to your hair. I am pretty happy with the results. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to finish off my wash day, and I know I look crazy like I always do. Oh man, it wouldn't be a normal video if I don't look crazy, right? So thank you guys so much for watching. I will definitely see you guys in my next one, and bye for now. Lola. We thought we could make it. Bye guys.